Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create this face paint effect within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple process for you to follow to create such a cool effect. Okay, so how do we do it? What I'm now going to do is select our top layers here and just remove them by pressing backspace and have them highlighted. Okay, so what I've done already is I had this lady and I've applied a layer mask to this. And as you can see, I already have that paint texture available for me. What I'm going to do now is press the shortcut Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows just to resize it to cover the whole lady's face like so. Wonderful. Now what I need to do is change the blending mode to multiply on this. And what I need to do now is apply a layer mask to this layer. So with that layer highlighted, I'm just going to come through here and apply a layer mask like so. Now what I need to do is make sure that we can bring her eyes through and her lips and her hair. So I'm just going to use the brush tool here like so. Let's zoom in using the shortcut Command Plus on Mac or Control Plus on Windows. And make sure that we have our foreground color as black and we're on the layer mask there. And I'm just going to come through and just remove that paint from our eyes so we can bring our eyes through. There we go, fantastic. Let's move over here and do the same thing. Make sure that we stay within the eyelids there to make it look as realistic as we can get it. Perfect. Now let's zoom out, pressing shortcut Command minus on the Mac or Control minus on Windows. And what we can do now is start to bring her lips through as well here, using the same color black to remove within the layer mask. As you can see, the pattern now, the paint texture is starting to fade away from the lips. Okay, wonderful stuff here. Just make sure that we get everything taken away. Wonderful. And what I'm going to do now is make sure that we take some of her hair, take it out, the paint texture out of her hair. So I'm just going to increase the brushes using the shortcuts, increase the size of the brush using the shortcut, the closed bracket located next to P on the keyboard. And yeah, again, make sure that I'm still using black. I'm going to come through and remove it now, just from her hair, as you can see now, like so. And let's go to the top here. Wonderful. Let me bring that down a little bit just to get in here. And let's come around here. Okay, as you can see, it's really coming together now. Nearly there, guys. Just remove that there. A little bit like so. Here. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that face paint effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.